Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this webinar. I am Ramanathan from ZF Fabco. This webinar is about the future of Indian CV industry, road towards ACE. Happy to meet you virtually in this webinar platform. As most of you are aware, the 4 mega trends which are shaping the CV industry are autonomous vehicle, connectivity, electrification, and shared mobility. The kind of disruption we are seeing in the last few years and we are going to see in the next 10 years, it will be enormous, and the kind which we have not witnessed for the last 50 years, it is going to happen. And as per a recent study done by a research firm, more than 70% of the innovations and patents are centered around these 4 megatrends. Coming to Indian CV industry, what are the trends which are shaping the Indian CV industry? The economy is reviving. The CV industry is again growing. And as per the experts, the growth cycle will continue for the next 3 to 4 years. So this year, we have seen the medium and heavy commercial vehicle industry has grown by 60%. And next 3 to 4 years also, this growth cycle will continue. As per the emission norms, last year the industry moved towards BS6, and most of the OEMs have made a lot of changes in the platform in the BS6. The next level of BS6, like OBD2 norms and the real driving emissions, will come into force in the next 2 years. And many of the OEMs will be doing changes in the vehicle platform, and they have to focus on the improving the fuel efficiency and also reducing the weight of the vehicle. As the fuel prices are increasing, there is also a lot of focus on alternative fuels by all the OEMs. Recently, many of the platforms in light commercial vehicle and medium commercial vehicles have been launched on alternative fuels. When I say alternative fuels, there are many fuels like compressed natural gas, liquefied natural gas, and then blended fuels like ethanol or methanol blended with the diesel. So we will see more launches in the coming months. There is also a focus on electrification, especially in the small commercial vehicle and light commercial vehicle. As the e-commerce companies are going global, there is a lot of focus on sustainability and carbon neutrality. And many of the new vehicle purchases by these companies are on electrified vehicles. And we also see a major shift towards connectivity after the BS6. After the BS6, many of the OEMs have introduced in more than 80 to 90% of their platforms are coming with OEM fitted connectivity devices. And these are sending many insights to the OEM portals, and these are converted into data and meaningful actions to improve the uptime, fleet efficiency, and also improve the total cost of ownership. This is the regulation map which shows the roadmap towards the future upcoming regulations. As we see in the areas of safety, the electronic stability control is already announced for M3 category of vehicles. Going ahead, we are also anticipating the electronic stability control will be applied for the other category of vehicles also. And the AEBS, the autonomous emergency braking system, will be implemented in 2 phases. The first phase will be for only the warning, forward collision warning, and the second phase will be the autonomous braking. And there is also an upcoming regulation on endurance braking, which requires secondary braking devices to be applied in M3 and N3 category of vehicles. In the emission, we are going towards phase 2 of CAFE norms and real driving emissions. And in the area of connectivity, the AS140 is already applied. Now we are going towards integrated transport solutions and also improve the data security and the different kind of integration with infrastructure like e-tolling or user-based insurance solutions are also coming. And in the case of electrification, the FAME 2 is already announced, and we have also seen some of the major regulations in the other areas like vehicle scrappage policy, which will be implemented in 3 phases. The first phase will require mandatory fitness centers and also scrapping of government-owned vehicles. In the second phase, the fitness center will actually take into the vehicles have to go through a mandatory fitness test. If they fail, then it has to be scrapped. And then this is expected to drive the growth for the next 3 to 4 years. Then the whole vehicle COP tests are now mandatory, and also the vehicle recall policy, which requires a lot of work on traceability, is also announced. Coming to ZF, ZF is a global technology leader. We provide systems and solutions for virtually all category of vehicles, right from passenger cars to commercial vehicles and industrial vehicles. We focus on integrated safety and mobility solutions, which enables next generation mobility for vehicles which are plying in city, urban vehicles, as well as long range vehicles. Our technology development has been to lead in 4 technology domains. The first one is vehicle motion control, which involves the steering control, braking control, and the transmission control automation. And the various leading solutions we provide to OEMs. And in the area of integrated safety, we provide a 360-degree solutions which the vehicle, the driver will be able to perceive around the vehicle and also prevent collisions, either frontal collisions or side collisions, he will be able to prevent. And we are also providing system solutions virtually from level 1 to level 4 autonomous driving. And in the area of electrification, we provide complete vehicle solutions for all category of vehicles. And this will, there is a lot of focus on software development and digitalization to improve the fleet efficiency. Currently, the industry is facing many challenges, like there is a lot of regulations have to be met, and also the fleet profitability has to be improved. The urban population is increasing day by day, and there is a carbon neutrality and the sustainability challenges are there. So ZF products and system solutions are especially designed to overcome these industry's key challenges. Our solutions are focused on efficiency, which improves the total cost of ownership and help the fleets to lower the CO2 emissions. And our solutions are also focused on safety and especially the advanced driver assistance systems, which improves the safety of the driver, road users, and improve the comfort and cargo security. And we also provide digital connectivity solutions, which improves the fleet profitability through uptime improvement, predictive maintenance, and other applications. Let's deep dive into one by one. On the efficiency related solutions, we provide solutions which enables the OEM to reduce almost 150 kg of weight, and also reduce the CO2 emissions considerably, and improve the aerodynamic and efficient operation of the vehicle. Some of the solutions I would like to touch upon, like transmission solutions. We provide a range of transmission automation solutions which are efficiently designed to improve the fuel efficiency as well as the driver comfort. We provide steering solutions which improves the which improves the which are linked with the automation and improves the performance of the driver. We provide a two-stage air compressor with clutch to improve the fuel efficiency. We provide the active suspension solution with active damping. And also to improve the driver comfort, we provide the active cabin suspension. Our solution on OptiPace improves the fuel efficiency by mapping the terrain data and controlling the steering and the braking using the Google Map data. And we also provide the electronic control for air suspension as well as the aerodynamic solution for tractor-trailer combination. ZF provides electrification solution for practically all category of vehicles, from small vans to the coach buses and heavy-duty trucks. Extension for the batteries. So the OEMs can have less batteries or more range through these efficient solutions. It also reduces the weight and better performance, improves the performance. So our solutions are anything from the drive lanes and e-axle solutions, and also the smart air system for braking and suspension, and also the high precision control, the braking solutions, which enables regenerative braking. To point out, these are all the solutions which are offered by ZF for the electric vehicles, ranging from electric axle drive system, both central mounted as well as wheel-based mounted, the complete electric axle solutions for low floor buses. And we also offer the air compressors, electric compressors, which are energy efficient, and also the electric air processing system, which enables to save energy during the idling and coasting. We also provide different category of electric actuators and electromagnetic brakes, and also the electric steering solutions and power assisted hydraulic steering. Now, coming to the area of safety, we provide advanced driver assistance systems to improve the safety of the driver, road users, and also the cargo safety. Our sensor solution enables a 360-degree view of the vehicle, and which prevents both the frontal collisions as well as avoids the blind spots in the side. Our safety solution is based on the simple philosophy of three domains. One is we say our solutions enable vehicle to see, think, and act. On the C domain, we have a range of sensor solutions from radar, camera, LiDAR, and connectivity, which enables the vehicle to have a 360-degree view and perceive what is around the vehicle. On the controlling portion, thinking portion, we have the vehicle control modules as well as image processing modules, the fusion algorithms, and the artificial intelligence modules, and which provides from level 1 to level 4 autonomous driving platforms. On the actuation, we provide actuations for autonomous actuation for steering system, braking system, transmission system, and which enables the OEMs to provide meet the requirements for level 4 autonomous driving. These are all some of the solutions available from ZF portfolio for ADAS and autonomous driving. So whether it is the vehicle control units, or high precision braking control, or motion control, or virtual driver solutions, or autonomous driving open platform solutions. ZF has a wide range of solutions to meet the requirements for driver assistance and automation required. Now coming to digital solutions, the fleet requirements are to become leaner, greener, and safer. And ZF understands specifically exactly these requirements, and our solutions are helping transport companies to overcome these requirements. So we provide the optimized fleet solutions which improves the uptime and also to intelligently move the cargo and also manage the fuel, energy, and driver efficiently. Our solutions are designed to meet all the stakeholders in the fleet management, whether it is a driver or a customer or a fleet manager or a subcontractor. So we provide customized solutions and apps for all these stakeholders. The requirement is for the platform side, the customers require the platform to be secure with all the data security and cyber security inbuilt. They want the customized programs, and they also want flexibility to interface with the third-party apps. Our ZF digital platform exactly meets these requirements of the customers. And we also collect data from different sources, like whether it is through the fleet connectivity device or through the different type of sensors in the vehicle or from the CAN system in the vehicle. All these data are harnessed in and taken to our digital platform and to provide customized insights to the different stakeholders. So the fleets require to manage their fuel. Fuel is the very important cost of the fleet operations. Next to fuel is the tire costs and the spare parts and the driver costs are there. So the ZF exactly gives the different customized reports to manage the fuel consumption better. And also we provide a tire pressure and brake lining wear information to extend the life of the tires. We also provide predictive information about the maintenance events and also in case a maintenance event happens, to reduce the downtime, we provide exact information to the fleets and the service workshops. And also to manage these operations, we also provide route planning and also the different health-related information. We also manage the other parts of the truck, like reefer health or temperature control or the other road stability events. So we provide complete ecosystem to manage the fleet efficiently in a safe manner. Thank you for patiently listening to this webinar. Hope the webinar was useful to you. And if you need any further information, use these coordinates to access our website and know more about our products. Thanks once again for attending this webinar.